We know that supply chain logistics benefits from private wireless networks. Myriam's here to explain how and why. Good to have you with us.
Yes, for sure.
When we talk specifically about the opportunities, what are some of the big ones that you see?
In fact, what we have to say is that definitely industries have big challenges today. And then most of them is about customization of the production lines. This is also about sustainability, security. And then these all challenges imply some great opportunity and some large evolution for them to make the digital transformation.
Part of that digital transformation is that campus area private network. What do you say to customers who need to understand the value of it?
Yes, exactly. The customers, in fact, need to understand that before having this digital transformation, they need to have a secure and reliability connectivity as a foundation of the digital transformation.
So do you have any favorite use case examples?
Yes, for sure. My favorite example is, in fact, with Arçelik, like a Turkish company, manufacturing household equipments, and they had some key issues because their AGVs were moving and always stopping because of lack of bandwidth. And we implemented our private wireless solution, and now everything is moving fast, and their AGVs is really embedded in their business processes.
I think it's an important point to make that you're seeing your customers have challenges, but Nokia is there to help them with the solutions.
Yes, exactly. And what we have also is that we are implementing our solution in our Ulu factory. So there we are extremely good in position to measure the benefits with precise KPIs on production efficiency, on sustainability, on those benefits that bring to the customers.
It always comes down to the KPIs. Myriam, thank you so much.
Yes.
We are live here in Germany at Hannover Messe 2022. I'm Michael Hainsworth.